Welcome to the College Investor Audio Show, where we talk about the biggest issues impacting millennial money, from student loan debt to side hustles to building wealth. We will show you how to get out of debt so that you can build real wealth for the future.
Oh, this is going to be a fun show. So glad you're here as part of the College Investor Audio Show. Thanks so much for dropping by today. You're going to be glad you did. We partnered with our friends at CrowdStreet to explore exactly how to invest in commercial real estate. Oh, let's get right to it. So, it's not much of a secret that investing in real estate can lead to long-term financial rewards. Now, for most, investing in real estate involves residential properties, single-family homes, multifamily homes, that type of stuff. But for some, the prospects of commercial real estate investments are calling their name. If that is you, this is the show for you. Let's establish a foundation by defining what commercial real estate actually is. So commercial real estate is a property that is used for business purposes. Could have probably gathered that. So unlike residential real estate, commercial real estate doesn't seek to provide a home. Instead, commercial real estate is designed to provide a workspace or a place for business operations. The world of commercial real estate is varied and vast. The options for investment within commercial are so expansive. Just a few types of commercial real estate that come to mind include shopping malls, office parks, storefronts, restaurants, hospitals, hotels, and more. So now we ask, why would you invest in commercial real estate? Well, as an investor, you'll need to decide for yourself whether or not this niche should hold a place in your portfolio. But the opportunities within this multi-billion-dollar marketplace are incredibly expansive. Although, the commercial real estate market, if you haven't noticed, experienced a volatile 2020 in the face of new working arrangements because of COVID-19. But the commercial real estate landscape changes do leave room for some new opportunities in the coming years. Check this out. If you want to invest in commercial real estate, here's how to break into this new field. CrowdStreet. CrowdStreet is an online real estate investing platform that focuses on the commercial market. This is their bread and butter. Since its inception in 2014, the community of investors has launched more than 480 deals. In order to work with CrowdStreet, you will need to be an accredited investor, and here's what that looks like. You just need to meet one of these following criteria. Earn more than $200,000 in each of the last 2 years, and can expect to do the same in the current year. If you're a married couple, you'll need to earn more than $300,000 combined. Have a net worth of $1 million when excluding the value of your primary residence. Hold a trust with assets over $5 million, or hold a Series 7, Series 65, or Series 82 license. If you meet any of those criteria of an accredited investor, you'll be able to work with CrowdStreet to invest in commercial real estate. When you work with CrowdStreet, you'll need to invest a minimum of $25,000. So with that minimum investment, you can choose to invest in a blended portfolio or even just one individual project that you love. CrowdStreet offers a wide range of investment opportunities in commercial real estate. Plus, it opens the door to experienced investors that are interested in commercial real estate but don't really have the funds to enter the arena on an individual basis. And by the way, if you want to learn more about CrowdStreet and how you can jump right into this, you can take a look at our full review at thecollegeinvestor.com. We take a deep dive into CrowdStreet. Again, that's thecollegeinvestor.com. Now, you can also find a private syndicate too to get in on this, because CrowdStreet isn't the only way to be a limited partner in a commercial real estate deal. However, it's one of the easiest for sure. And for someone new to commercial real estate, it's totally helpful to have their expertise to help vet deals, so you don't have to do all that legwork. But that's not to say that, you can join a group of investors and do it yourself. The great thing about a private syndicate is that you can still get access to great deals, and ideally, the general partner has substantial commercial real estate knowledge. There may also be less costs associated with a private syndicate, but not always. However, there is sponsor risk. This means that you're trusting the general partner with your money. That can be risky if you don't quite know how to vet them. Go it alone. All right. The DIYers, this is for you. You can go it alone with commercial real estate. However, it can be extremely expensive and risky when you're just getting started. The fact is, most commercial real estate properties simply cost more money than other real estate investments. And the lending process is a lot more complex than residential real estate. With that said, you might want to get your feet wet with residential real estate first. But if you go it alone, take the time to do your research, plenty of research about the types of commercial real estate that will work well for your portfolio. The bottom line? Commercial real estate can be an exciting opportunity to build wealth, to say the least. With the advent of crowdfunding platforms, you have the opportunity to access commercial real estate deals that would otherwise require a lot more substantial upfront capital. If you're ready to dive in, take a look, sign up for CrowdStreet, all that kind of stuff, you can see what deals they have that might be interesting to you right now by opening up an account. You can find a link at thecollegeinvestor.com. That is our show for today. If you are excited about commercial real estate and even more excited after hearing this podcast, please, again, I'm going to mention the link one more time, thecollegeinvestor.com. We would love to come alongside you and help you get started. Thanks so much for dropping by today. We'll talk to you again real soon.